All kinds of leakages happening. Now I think there's just a seal in here that goes bad, but it looks like somebody just gooped it up last time. Oh, hopefully this thing just doesn't start leaking. Oh, yep. Oh, darn it. Need a pan. Need a pan. Oh. That seems like a lot. Oh, missing it. Oh, God. Nice, clean fluid. That's because I just changed it. Should have did this to begin with, I think. But that's alright. We'll take a look-see here. Yeah, see. That O-ring's definitely shot. That's all it is an O-ring. Yeah, you can see that O-ring has had its days. She's pretty well cooked on that end. A little cleaner. Look at this. Just bleep. Goodness. Not very. Looks like an R31. I think that's the point, right? Go in. Yeah, see, that's not working. Yeah. My O-rings are just too fat. That's not gonna work. No siree, Bob. You can see it's just these are a bit fatter than what came off it. So I got this guy about a week later. There's I guess there's some bushing in there that goes bad. That came with it. I don't know if I'll actually replace that or not. We'll see. I also got an O-ring. Huh. Only took a week to get here, but you can see the difference in what I was trying to use and what it should have. A lot skinnier. Hopefully this fixes the leak. I think that's going to work a lot better. I also got this. I don't even know where this goes. I'm assuming in here somewhere, man. Now I'm pretty sure there's another seal in here. And that is that little tiny guy. Yes. That is not going to fit. That is never going to fit in there. I don't see how, unless this is the wrong seal. Wouldn't surprise me. You can't really expect that to work. Like, that is never going to fit in there. Unless this thing... How else would it work? How else would it go? Honestly, I only bought it was like $1, so I bought it. So, I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm really wondering if that is like a grease port. Oh! Nope, they just shot out this side. I don't know what I'm doing, if you can tell. Just guessing there. I'm guessing. I'm just going to give it some down in its holes. Yeah! Alright, here we are again. Will it fit? Not a question I usually ask myself. It's usually too small. Huh, it fit. don't want to go too tight with that. I'm gonna screw some shit up real quick. Call that good, I guess. Now I was gonna replace this seal. I'm gonna take the drive shaft out. Woo! They're coming loose. Well, nope. Get in there. Why are you being so mean? I'm just trying to fix you. Well. Oh, there she goes. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. Let's see if I can get that out of there. Hey, something's happening. Oh, seal's really bad now. Oh. So, yeah, there's a bushing right here. But you have to take the tail shaft out. Tail shaft house to get that out. I'm not going to do that right now. I don't know if you could see it in there or not, but that's what's in there. Honestly, it looks fine, but we should replace it maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to. Just look at that. I'm just going to put a little smear on. Basically, I just want to get it all over my hands. And, you know what I mean? It's fun to make a mess. No, it's a little bit for, just makes me feel better, okay? Although, by the time I get this seal in, this will just be all over my hands and not where it needs to be. So, you know how it goes. I hate this part. This is the part I'm not good at. Nope. Eventually I'll get frustrated and then cry. See, look. No more silicone. It's just everywhere else. So I don't know why I bother doing that. You know, if you could get it in the first try, like perfectly, it would work. Wow. I'm almost to the point of crying yet. Oh, yeah, in the dirt. Oh my God. I think it's good. I think it's in. Will it still leak? Yeah, I'm sure it will. Can't say I didn't try. Alright, I'm going to get this drive shaft back in and put what I have for transmission fluid in and watch it and see if it still leaks. I bet it will. I bet it will. For a second, I didn't think that was ever going to happen. You just got to have patience. Oh, you just got to have. Something just fell off. an update on the transmission. No more leak. That's good. After taking it for a ride, she is not leaking no more, so must have did something right. Oh, not leaking for now anyway. Oh, I forgot I had a light bulb in my pocket. I was just... Oh, that's a good thing to have in your pocket when you're crawling around on the floor. Yeah, smart. Smart man. Alright, I have glass in my pocket.